Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all, children?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. How are you
Good
all?
morning. Fine.
So, as you all know that we have started our chapter yesterday, chapter number 4, tick, tick, tick. It is related with the time. So, we have yesterday done with the, I can't stop presenting your screen, my dear. Thank you. So, yesterday we have done how to read the time and how to write the time. Now, along with the time, you need to write something which is AM and PM. Now, how to write the AM and PM? Let's see. I'm going to present you my screen.
Anya, switch off your mic, beta. Anya Mittal, switch off your mic.
Swati ma'am, the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Very correct.
Okay.
Perfectly visible.
So you all have to write this. First, let me explain. And then I'm going to send you this to your classroom. So no need to write it right now. Just understand it. What does AM and PM means? We all know that there are 24 hours in a day. You all know that a clock takes 2 rounds in a day. And in one round, there are 12 hours. And when it take again the second round, 12 plus 12 is 24. So we see only 12 numbers. As I said, at a time we can see only 12 numbers in a clock. And then same clock is used for twice, then it will be a 24 hours. The 24 hours of the entire day are split into two sections. 12 hours of daytime and 12
Ma'am,
hours
you have
of...
to write this.
No, I will send you. 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night time. The
Karna
uses
and
of
Farzan, pay proper attention.
the
Don't look here
uses
and there.
of AM and
Arna, you don't
PM.
have to write down anything.
Children, don't write. I will send this. The uses of AM and PM
Yes,
help,
Ekansh, it will be sent.
helps us to convey clearly that which section of the day we are talking about, right? If we clearly mention in the time AM, it means we are talking about the daytime. And if we mention in the time PM, then it is clearly mentioned, then we are talking about the other half of the time. Now, introduction to two different important terms, that is noon and midnight. You must have learned in grade 3 that we never use with the 12 in the morning, we never use AM or PM, we use 12 noon. And when it is 12 in the night, we use midnight. So 12 at the daytime is called 12 noon and 12 at the night is called midnight. There is a common mistake which many people make, that is calling 12 p.m. and 12 a.m., which is wrong. So no a.m. or p.m. is attached with the 12. It's 12 noon and 12 midnight. Whenever we're talking about the 12, if we are talking about the 12 time, which is noon time, we use noon. And if we are talking the 12 with the midnight night time, we use midnight 12. AM stands for ante-meridiem and PM stands for post-meridiem. The meaning of the word meridiem is midday. Before midday and after midday. So ante-meridiem means before midday and post-meridiem means after midday. So all the hours before midday from 12 midnight are written with AM. Means from 12 midnight till the 11:59 in the morning, the time we write AM. And all the hours after the after 11:59 in the morning, that is after 12 midday, after 12, noon, we write the PM till the 11:59 at the night. And as I I hope you all are clear with the notes
Ma'am, I can't
of
hear you.
Ma'am, can't hear you properly.
Your
AM
voice is
and
breaking and your
PM.
camera is stopped. Yes, ma'am.
It's okay, children. Wait for a minute. You know always that connectivity problem occurs. So have patience. Ayush, switch off your mic. Have patience. Ekansh, may I know what are you doing? Please don't forget everybody, you are in the classroom. Give her the time. Till they read whatever is given. You can read, she is presenting something. You can read whatever is given. Rudra Master, don't send any chat.
Hello. Hello. छवि सर गए क्या?
Children, Swati ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you were not audible as well as visible. Your connectivity was disturbed.
Okay.
Now it is there.
Okay, I'll present my screen again. When I was explaining,
The screen was visible, but your voice was breaking. The screen was very much visible.
no problem. I'll
They were
explain them
reading.
again. Okay. I will explain, read for them again. Just guide me, Swati ma'am, whether it is visible or not. Dhyan Dalal, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I will repeat again. Sorry, children, sorry for the connectivity problem. I'll repeat my topic again. What does AM and PM means? We were doing what does the AM and PM means, when we will use the AM and PM. We know that there are 24 hours in a day. Swati ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We know that
Very clearly audible.
Thank you. Where we know that there are 24 hours in a day. When you see the clock, you see only 12 hours at a time. When this 12 hours will complete, take a 2 rounds, then it will be 24 hours. But on the clock, as I said, we see only 12 numbers. The same clock is used twice in 24 hours. The 24 hours of the entire day are split into two sections. First is 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night time. Clear, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am, it is audible properly.
Okay. The 12 hours.
Dhyan, no sending message.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have a
Dhyan,
doubt.
no sending.
Yes, tell me,
Okay.
Dhyan.
Ma'am, what is the full form of AM and AM?
I will come on that also.
Okay.
So 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night time, the uses of AM and PM. So we will use, for 12 hours in daytime, we use AM, and for 12 hours in daytime, night time, we use PM. Help us to convey clearly which section of the day we are talking about. This AM and PM will help us. Now we are talking about which time, because 7 in the morning also, 7 at night also. 8 in the morning also, 8 at night also. So we get confused that we are talking about which time. So when we use AM and PM, we will be more clear that we are talking about which time. Now, I want to clear you one more thing, that with the 12 in the morning, when midday 12, that with the 12 we use noon. We will not use AM. And with the 12 at the night, we use midnight, not PM. So remember this always. No AM and PM is attached with the 12. Means when it is 12 morning, then it is 12 noon. And when it is night 12, it's 12 midnight. Never use AM and PM with the 12, whether it is 12 morning or 12 night. 12 at the daytime is called noon and 12 at the night time is called midnight. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is a common mistake which many people make, that is calling 12 as a PM or the AM, which is wrong. So, no to AM and PM is attached with the 12. It's 12 noon and 12 midnight. Now, let's see, as Dhyan was asking, ma'am, what is the full form of AM and PM? AM stands for anti-meridian. PM stands for post-meridian. The meaning of the word meridian is midday. So, the anti-meridian means before midday and post-meridian means after midday. So, all the hours before midday from 12 midnight are written with the AM. After 12 midnight, from the 12 midnight till the 11:59 in the morning, we use AM. And after 12 noon till the 11:59 at the night, we use PM. Are you clear till here when to use AM and when to use PM, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now I'll show you something. Can you all see this video screen?
Yes.
Okay. See now, time, AM and PM in 12-hour clock. See, now it's showing, what time it is showing, my dear children? What time it is showing in the clock?
8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock. Which child is saying this? It is 8 o'clock.
40, 30,
12.
11 છે 11 છે
12. 12. 12:40.
No.
11:40.
Yes, it is around 11:42. So now let's check how to use AM and PM. This is, you can check that. This is, both the hands is on the 12. This is the second hand. Yes, children? Now it is clear, Dhyan?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 12 o'clock. Now let's see whether it is 12 o'clock night or morning. So it takes hours when it takes the round. So it is midnight. We use two terms with the 12. One is midnight and one is noon. As I explained you that we use two terms with the 12. 12 o'clock at night is called 12 midnight. So we use, after 12 we will use AM. But with the 12 we will use midnight. AM equals to anti-meridian, as I explained you, before noon. O'clock during the day is known as the 12 noon or midday. This clock is again showing 12 o'clock. Now it's showing about the noon. So after 12 o'clock, but 12 o'clock will be written as noon. After the 12, this arrow shows after 12 o'clock. Till 11:59 at the midnight, we will use the PM. From 12 noon till the 11:59 night, we will use the PM. So 12 noon and 12 midnight do not have an AM or PM along with them. Clear, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am. It is very clear.
Okay. So now let's see again. It is next 12 o'clock, 12 hours. A day has 24 hours, as we know, because the clock takes 2 rounds in a day. So we end this now. We will do some task on AM and PM. Now next video is visible to you? Telling
ma'am.
AM and PM?
Yes, ma'am. It is very clear.
Okay, now let's see. Ila's alarm clock woke her at 7 in the morning. How do we show that it is 7 in the morning and not 7 at the night? So how we will mention this? There are 24 hours in one day. Those 24 hours are divided into 2 parts. Each part is 12 hours long. Again, I'm explaining you about the AM and the PM. These parts are called AM and PM. As I said, the first part of the day goes from midnight to the noon. It is the morning. You can see sun brightly shining. We call the time between midnight and noon as AM. The AM comes from a Latin phrase that means before noon. The second part of the day goes from noon to midnight. It is the afternoon and evening. So we call the time between noon and midnight is PM. PM comes from a Latin phrase that means after midday. Now, watch out. It is both light and dark during the AM. Yes, it is both light and dark during the PM. That can be possible. Now, there is a question. Ila's alarm clock woke her at 7 in the morning. Now, we are very much clear with the 7 what we will use, AM or PM. Please answer me. 1 or 2 child can switch on the microphone and answer.
AM.
Very good. Excellent children.
Enough. Now don't shout, everybody. Dhyan, Shelia, don't shout. Correct your answer.
Your answer is right.
Yes, your
Now,
answer is right.
Few more examples. It's 7 a.m. Now see, Lucy mother read her a bedtime story. So bedtime story you will read at what time? It's 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 p.m.
8:30 p.m.
Very good, excellent children. Switch off your microphone now.
8:30 p.m.
Very good. It's 8:30
p.m.
Yes.
Migdad, your answer is wrong.
It's 8:30 p.m. Bedtime story is at night. So we use PM.
Renu ma'am, ask
Yes.
Ekansh not to teach others. Ekansh, madam is there to teach. Please don't send such chats. In every class, I teach you this.
Next, Sam wash his hands before eating at 6.
At 6 p.m.
Did Sam wash his hands at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m.?
6 p.m.
Let's see.
Ma'am, 6 p.m.
Let's see at what time he is washing his hands. It's 6 p.m. Now, very good children. Great job. Thank you.
Ma'am, because supper is the thing between dinner and lunch.
Yes, supper is a thing between dinner and lunch. Snacks times you can call it. Yes? Now, open your books, children. Everyone open your books.
Ma'am, notebook or textbook?
Textbook. Open your textbook. Page number 36. Practice time. Children, in this it is clearly instructed that the answer may vary from student to student based on her experience. It is highly recommended that the students prepare the answer on their own. We will discuss the answer. Maybe sometimes the answer may vary from person to person. Are you clear? Page number 36. So, this is your page number, right? Can you all see my page number? My page is there on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you,
It is
ma'am.
clear.
It's written 3 friends read time from a clock. Now we will see who is right. There are 3 friends, Chiku, Bittu, Pinky. You have to tick the right answer with the pencil.
Pinky.
Wait, my dear. Wait for the instructions. Let me complete. So there are 3 friends, Chiku, Bittu and Pinky. And they were reading the clock. Like we have yesterday learned how to read the clock. Now let's see. Are these 3 friends are clear with the clock, or you are very much clear with the clock? Let's see. So Chiku is saying it's 12:03. Yes.
3 o'clock.
Then Bittu is saying it's 12:15. And the Pinky is saying it's 3 o'clock.
Ma'am,
So,
Pinky is right. Ma'am, Pinky is right.
who is saying Chiku is right?
ma'am.
Dhyan, Shelia, look at the hands properly. The small hand
Look
and
at
the long hand.
Yes,
Short hand
yes.
and the long hand.
You have to see the short hand and the long hand. Which is the short hand here in your book? You can see more clearly, my dear. Short hand is on what?
3.
3 or 12? The short hand is on 12 and the long hand is on 3. So,
Ma'am, Pinky.
Pinky or Chiku? Who is right?
Ma'am, Pinky is all right.
Bittu is right, my dear. It's 12:15. You can check the hands properly.
The hand which is patli si hand, that's the hand.
This is the no, this is the sorry, it is 3 o'clock. Yes, it is Pinky is right.
In all 3.
Yes, the big arrow which is with the broad is showing the hour and the thin one is showing the minutes. Clear?
5:35. Pinky
Next
again.
is very good. So who is right in the next one?
5:35. Then 7.
Pinky is right in the next also.
5:30.
And the last one is?
Pinky.
Last one is?
Pinky. Pinky.
Pinky only gave all the right answer. Yes. In third case also Pinky is right. Thank you, children. Go to the next page. Please take all the answer in your textbook with the pencil. Go to the next page.
Karnav, stop yawning.
show the following times in the clock. One clock is telling that you have to show the 3:10. So children, start making the hour hand and the long hand, which is minute hand, in this clock with the pencil. Next clock 6:40 and the third clock 4:45. Please show the
Yes,
time
Prisha,
with
correct.
the hands in your textbook.
It's done. I have finished.
So in the first one, where will be the shorthand? Yes, are you Singhania?
Ma'am, the short hand will be on 3 and the long hand will be on 2.
Is he right, my dear children? 1 and 2 children can
Yes,
switch on the microphone and tell me. Yes, he is right. So here it is 3:10. Can you see? Clock down.
Thank you, sir.
This way you have to only draw the long hand and the short hand in the clock which is given in your textbook. Now go to the next clock. Draw the hands. Where will be the short hand if it is 6:40?
Ma'am, the short hand will be on 6 and the long hand will be on 8.
Lamha, it will be exactly on 6.
No, ma'am, a little bit.
Yes, it will be near to the 6. It will be between 6 and 7 and more closer to the 7. Right? Instead of more closer to the 6, it will be more closer to the 7 because it is 6:40. Clear, children? Please draw the hands in your textbook. The next clock, Dhyan Dalal. Switch on your microphone and tell me how to draw. Where will be the short hand in the third one?
Third one.
Ma'am, which third one?
4:45. How you will show in the clock?
Ma'am, the short hand will be on the 4 and the long hand will be on 9.
So the short hand will be exactly on 4.
No, between 4 and 5.
Very good. It will be more closer to 4 or will be more closer to 5?
More closer to 4.
More closer to 4.
Yes.
Just check. And I will show you here.
5.
Yes, it will be more closer to 5. Because it is 4:45.
Okay.
How we can say the 4:45 in the other way? Can any other child can try?
Quarter to
Very good.
Quarter to 5.
Very good. Excellent, children. It is 4:45. Now there are 3 more clocks are given down. One is showing 2:20. The other one is showing 3:15. And the third one is 7:35. You have to show the time with the hands in these clocks. Please start making and then I will ask.
Done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, all
Till here it was done. Till here.
Yes, ma'am, all done. Ma'am, all done. Yeah, ma'am, all done.
This is also done. Can you see here?
Yeah.
In 2:20, the hour hand is in between 2 and 3. Now here, in 2:20, can you see that it is more closer to 2 or more closer to 3?
More closer to 3.
No. After completing the half circle, then it will come more closer to 3. Right now, it has just only passed 20 minutes. So it is more closer to 2, not more closer to 3. When it will complete this half circle, when it will be after 30 minutes, it will move to 35 or 40. Then when the minute hand will move towards the 35 and 40, then the shorthand will come more closer to 3. Clear, children? Don't get confused here, right? Okay, now in the third clock, you can see 3:15. Can you all hear me? Am I audible to everyone, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the third clock, children, nobody will leave the meeting until I will not say bye to all of you, right? Stay online. So it's 3:15 you have to show in the clock. Here, the shorthand is on 3 exactly because it just have passed the 15 minutes. And slowly, when it will complete the 30 minutes and after 30 minutes, it will come more closer to 4. Right now, it is more closer to 3. And the long hand is also on 3 because as we have studied, from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes, 1 to 2 is 10 minutes, and 2 to 3 is 15 minutes. So it is 3:15. Clear, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Switch on your microphone. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, go to the next third clock.
Yes.
Just a minute. At the third clock, 7:35. Start drawing the hands in your clock, in your textbook. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Done. I know the answer.
Okay. So, Lama, tell us.
I'm done.
Where will be the shorthand?
The shorthand will be more nearer to 8 and
Okay.
the long hand will be on 7.
Very good. Yes, you can see. Now, next. Come to the next part. Do you like sky watching? If yes, then this one should interest you. At what time does the sun rise at your place? It can be different at different places. I can say that at my place it's 6 a.m.
Yes.
So yes, so it is different to different country to country also, city to city also. So that's why I said in the beginning, the answer may vary in this. When does the sun set? 6:30 p.m. Does the sun rise and set at the same time every day, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
The sun
Yes.
set and sun rise at the same time every day?
No.
No.
Maybe at 7
The
o'clock.
time may differ in the different season. In summer season is different. In winter season it is different. In rainy season also you can see the timings are different. Because of the cloudy day and rainy day, you'll not able to see the sun. So sun rises at different time and sun set at different time. Now, next is look at the newspaper and see the time of sunrise and sunset in different months. So this is the chart. This way you have to make a chart in your notebook. And every month you have to check the timings of sunrise and sunset in the newspaper. And please mention it, because in newspaper every day also it comes, every month also it comes. As the month changes, the timing of sunrises and the sunset also change. As I said in the beginning,
Classroom.
yes,
Ma'am, you will send this presentation, this video in the classroom, right?
no, you just have to count the number of rows and columns so that you can make. There are.
I have to make it right now.
No, just count. You can make it later on. Count how many rows. It's months, then sunrise and sunset. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
in our house, newspaper is not coming.
Any newspaper, you can check in the Google also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, no bye-bye, children. Wait, everyone. Stay online.
Then 2 minutes are left.
Yes.
Dad.
Who left the class? Nobody will leave the class.
Maria Mitchell left the meeting.
No one will leave the meeting. Stay online, children. So, we have learned about AM and PM today. We have learned many exercises we have done. I will be sending you a worksheet based on today's topic.
Okay.
So, you have to do it and